Verifying your DAZN account is an important step to ensure you have access to all the features and content available. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Visit the DAZN website. Go to the official DAZN website using your preferred web browser. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your email address and password to log into your DAZN account. If you haven't created an account yet, you will need to sign up first. Step 3. Check your email. After logging in, check the email associated with your DAZN account for a verification email. This email will contain a link or instructions to verify your account. Step 4. Click the verification link. Open the verification email and click on the link provided. This will redirect you to a confirmation page on the DAZN website confirming that your account has been verified. Step 5. Confirm your account status. Return to your DAZN account settings to ensure that your account status shows as verified. You should now have full access to all features and content available on DAZN. Once you have completed these steps, your DAZN account will be verified, allowing you to enjoy your favorite sports and shows without any issues.